Open your legs. Flex the ankles. Bring the fingers behind the hips. Lift the hips for a moment. Push them forward. And we walk the hands in front of us. If you can bring the elbows down, go for it. If not, remain with the hands. Walk the hands back, come into seated posture, arms over the head, inhale. As we exhale, we rotate the chest towards the left foot and foot forward. If you can grab the left foot, if not, grab the shin bone. If you have the belt, the strap, you can use it to hold the foot. With next inhalation, come to the center, arms over the head. And as you exhale, switch direction, chest facing right knee. Next inhalation, arms over the head, coming to the center. Exhale in side bend. Bring the left hand on the right thigh. Right arm reaches direction, left foot. And now that we are at the end of the class and we are relaxing, we can do the posture more passive. So you can hold to your feet if you like, even if you're compromising a little bit with the alignment. Just look for a good stretch and relaxing both. Inhale, release, come up, arms over the head, and exhale, other side. Inhaling, arms over the head, exhaling, hands on the ground. We bend the knees, we bring the hands under the knees, we lean back. We come into butterfly. Grab the feet. If you like, you can fly. If you don't like, you don't have to fly. You can just fold forward and find a comfortable posture. In your butterfly, just slide the feet more forward into diamond shape. And maintain here the fold. Slowly come to sitting posture. And maintain the legs around the spine from the tailbone. Begin to roll back until you come to supine position and give yourself a big hug. If you want, you can go for shoulder stand, arms on the side of the body, legs go up, hips go up, hands on both sides of the back, elbows close to one another. We look for one straight line with the upper body and the legs. If that's too much, you can have the Viparita Karani pose. Just the legs are up, the spine is on the ground, the hips are on the ground, just the legs are up. Optional, we can go for Halasana plow pose by bending the hips and bringing the legs over the head. If you're in Halasana, you can go for Karna Pidasana, knees to ears pose by bending the knees, opening a little bit the legs, and bringing the knees on both sides of your ears. Oh, yeah, exactly both sides of the head. To come out of the posture, we bring the hands on the mat, and we roll the spine, starting from the upper back, from the thoracic spine, vertebra. We come out. Maintain the knees bent, only spine on the mat, knees remain bent, and we bring the feet on both edges of the mat, knees touching. A few moments here for the spine to recover. Gentle counter pose, fish pose. We bring the hands under the hips, palms pointing down. And we push through the elbows, we lift the chest, we lift the head. And we bring the top of the head on the mat, elbows close to one another. To come out, we lift the head, we slide the elbows out. We lower down the spine. One more time, big hug. Then a gentle sweet twist, both knees to the right, head looking to the left. And we switch, knees to the left, head looking to the right. Come back just for a few moments, just for a few minutes.